It was really hard this year. It was really hard. Physically and emotionally, but I guess that's life itself, you know? I'm really tired.
Yes.
How about we give her a welcome? Aliy! Aliy! Really incredible with the problems she had on the trail, and she's still finishing in 3rd place. Come home, Aliy.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Aliy!
My father, you know, when people go through weird stuff in their life,
Father, your daughter wants to say hello.
which everyone does. Everyone goes through hard times in their life.
Love you.
I guess I'd count on myself and my dogs.
I'm so proud of you.
That's kind of what I did. And then Alaska talked back, and every checkpoint I went through, people were so supportive, and I couldn't just be with myself. It turned out I was with everyone. We did it.
Good job. You hang in there.
The dog got a little freaked out, huh? A lot of people. Good dog. You eating TV snacks? Good dog. Good dog.